CUET Mock was actually a platform provided to us by our school, and it helped me a lot. I used up all of my credits, and I ended up actually taking a couple of my friends' accounts as well who were not using it, because the format and just the website is very easy to use. Honestly, when I was trying to find mocks online, while the website worked, it wasn't proper. There was no option to, if you can get the question wrong, if you have to, say you need to go back to this question. I just found the format really easy, especially when you're done with the paper, how they explain every answer to you and how you got it wrong, or how do you lead to the correct answer. And the chapter-wise questions as well, other than the mocks, were really nice. I think that was my form. If I would do a chapter, I would just do the CUET mock chapter-wise questions. And then after I was done with the syllabus, or after I was done with 20-30% of the syllabus, I would start with the mocks.
So I was a little chill with my boards because I knew mainly ultimately what the goal is. So I left the board preparation to the end. Yes, the mocks were really good. The previous year papers were really good, and the solutions also. I really thought that some of the things that I missed in the textbook, I used to find in the solutions that were given after the paper. So that was really, really good. I mean, I started a bit late, so I couldn't give all the chapter mocks. They are a lot. I mean, more than the full mocks, there are chapter mocks. I mean, more than 10 mocks for a single chapter. That is very, very good. I mean, it is very meticulous. So that would be very good if somebody starts from the very, very beginning. That would be really the cherry on the top. I think mock is better than any coaching, because इसमें तो आपका syllabus driven ही है पूरा, NCERT driven, and it's basically a time race, because earlier when I used to give mock, 45 minutes में complete नहीं हो पाता था बिल्कुल भी. I used to take an hour, even for history. So that was really, really helpful for me. Mocks, so really, sir, helps a lot.
So how did I start my preparation? So after the board exams were finished, I took 5 to 10 days to revise the whole domain syllabus, and then I started practicing mocks. And this is where the CUET mock platform comes in. How did I start my preparation? So after the board exams were finished, I took 5 to 10 days to revise the whole domain syllabus, and then I started practicing mocks. And this is where the CUET mock platform comes in. You are greeted with a very nice dashboard. It has all the information regarding your subjects, your progress, the mock tests that are available with you, what you have already done, individual topic-wise mock tests, full subject mock tests. I personally only did full subject mock tests because it wasn't any sense for me to do individual chapter-wise mock tests when the exam was just 1.5 months away. The CUET mock team was constantly in touch with me. They would help me in my preparation and get my stuff organized. And in addition, the answer scripts of the mocks were direct lines from NCERT. So the student was not in delusion about the answers not being correct. And there's a huge community available on the CUET mock platform. You also get the luxury of All India mocks on the CUET mock platform, and it is truly one of the best platforms to exist for mock papers when considering CUET exams.